for a very lively welcome. Yeah, and that shows the atmosphere here. Greetings and meet and greet was very special. I think it's the spirit of the season is amongst us. To the kids, I know you may have come through different phases of life, the challenges that you go through. Most of the times, some of the kids, they enjoy good things, but it's unfortunate that you did not have to enjoy those things. But, you know, there's a God. He's always there, he's everywhere, and he sees our plight. It's your, whatever you may have wished for, he's made it come true, that he's brought you this good family to come and get yourselves organized here, get yourself prepared for the years to come. And now that you are here, if I were to give you a message today, learn to be a strong-willed person who's able to overcome overcome challenges in life. You have to be confident. You have to have confidence in you. You have to be humble. You know, you have to be humble, and you have to be strong-willed. I know if you go to school, you may have friends or some of your people who may say words that hurts, but don't take that in. Use that to your advantage. You know, use that negative to be a positive, so that it strengthens you. So you can go, as you go through life, you'll be a strong person. And you cannot be deterred. No matter what life throws at you, you'll be able to overcome it. And now that you're in school, all those in the secondary school, secondary school, you know, take this opportunity, seize this opportunity to build yourself up. Dream to be somebody. Dream to be somebody who can make who can make changes in somebody's life. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is possible. It's only that the journey starts with you. If you want to be somebody, then dream that dream. Someone said, I've been always saying this, to dream, that's a coming attraction of what's to come. If you want to be in the army, you want to be a police officer, you want to be an aircraft engineer, you want to be a chef, you name it, you can get it. All you've got to do is dream. Dream and work hard in school. I know the holidays are here. Weather is too hot. Take care of yourselves, watch yourselves, yeah? Use this time to continue to study. Always try to read. Reading, that's the most important tool if you want to succeed in life. You have to read. Read so that you can write and speak good English, because that is the only thing that will take you to the next level. All the exams, they don't come in Fiji, they come in English. So learn how to read. Be the master of English, okay? That's the most important thing. When you can read and write English, you know, the stars is your destiny. So go out there and work hard and be somebody, so that people will look at you and they say, oh, I remember that young boy. Yeah? So work hard in school. And I thank the institution for having this program run. And I know there's one in the Masatu, I'm told, and there's one in Nailimo. Yeah, we went there last 2 years ago, I think. Yeah. So, you know, it's always an honor to come and meet these kids. And I thank you again for the workers here. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the patience, and thank you for the heart of serving and giving, sharing that love to our kids. And for us to come here today, it's not much. we hope that everybody's going to be happy with whatever we have, just to share the spirit of Christmas. And we hope that you will enjoy. And again, I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a very, very, very prosperous New Year.
Singa kay nambong